I will be sharing with you how I got 5,000 followers in 2 months. And I wrote it like an outline so I can read it to stay on point, but to encourage you because you can do it and you can do it in a shorter time than even I did. Some people are doing it, okay? All right. The first thing first is consider your niche. And some people, like me, are multi niche creators. So, therefore, it takes a lot of hashtags and keywords and a catchy hook, good captions to get a person and hold their interest the first 3 seconds. Now, why it takes so much for us to grasp and hold on to people's attention, that's a whole nother subject, but let me share the details. Okay, your focus should be on 1 to 2 content pillars. Consider cooking or lifestyle, motivation, even scripture, even faceless is okay. One thing that's really big is lifestyle because it opens the door for multi faceted creators in the sense that people like seeing you interact at home, in the yard, in the grocery store. People really do like more of you versus, let's just say, artificial things. AI, for example. Number 2, post 3 to 4 times a day. I know everybody don't have time, but at least one time every day, be very consistent with just one time a day posting. Now, let me elaborate on that, okay? 1, consider using a trending sound or a challenge. Be a part of it in some kind of small way. It could be funny just trying it and people will love it. 2, use original voiceover or tip. Like say you want to go faceless and you're using flowers, for example, but it's your voice, which makes it original, okay? Number 3, under post, okay, is it's okay to go faceless or use some type of caption style video. That makes it unique and it makes it more you. The next thing I want to share is using strong hooks the first 3 seconds. It's got to be like something like a question or something this mysterious. What will stop a person from scrolling? That's what you want to do. And some people tap, tap, tap on the screen and it gets a person attention. Or if you got something in your hand when you're talking, it gets a person's attention. Okay, easy if you're trying to do something like, let's say, nobody talks about this. 3 mistakes you're making right now. Watch me turn this into that. Those are hooks. That's just an example. Okay, now let's talk about the SEO captions. This is something that I had to learn to do, and I use AI, ChatGPT, or sometimes I ask Bing, any of the AI platforms now that will help you. Ask for your SEO words for example, let's say strong SEO word for cooking or whatever it is task you're doing in the video. If I was going to cook, I would say, give me strong captions, strong keywords, and usually you want, I would say, 3 hooks, 3 SEO words, subjects for you, your captions. I would ask for the hooks, and then I would ask for the tags. So that way, everything you're using is SEO, subject, captions, everything. And then when you put it on the screen and slide it off the screen so that the algorithm can read what your video is about, you'll be surprised. It's going to help. categorize you. Now, the next thing that you don't hear a lot of people talk about, and yes, when you're in live, people do talk about it, is engaging. It's so important. Now, when I say engaging, that means you like everything from the bottom up. They always say from the bottom up. You're going to share the video. You're going to save the video. You're going to like the video. You're going to make the comments, and then you may or may not choose to follow that person's video. That is key. The next thing I want to talk about is being able to create mini series weekly. That means, like, let's say you're talking about hair washing. You may want to do 3 videos on that hair washing. If you're under 10,000, you need to consider doing something like a 5-second video, a 7-second video, a 10-second video, or a 30-second. But come up with 3 videos, and you can call it a series 1, 2, and 3. But it's really one video. And sometimes you can take one video and break it up. Okay. So that's another thing that you can do. And then leverage your call to action. That is important. Like at the end of the video, say, comment, like, and share. You know, because what it happens is you're asking them to participate. And that will also help you. And these are just, to summarize, these are the things that I did to grow. Of course, it's trial and error. Some videos you're going to hit good. Some videos don't. So study the analytics. Get in Creators Insight. And study what it is that TikTok need. And Content Gap is ideal for that, because Content Gap shows you specifically what TikTok is looking for. And the ones that have the little red upward analytic little image, those are the ones that get a lot. And then record inside. That's one of the things I do, is most of my videos I try to record inside when I'm using Creators Insight tool. That is such a tongue twister for me. But Creator Search Insight. Get good at using that. Let it be your best friend. It gives you a subject. It gives you hashtags. And you don't have to go and research it. Just get it. When you get ready to do your video inside it, also take those keywords that you've saved in your browser of your mouse or whatever you use, whether it's your laptop or not. Take that, put it on the screen, slide it off. Now go back, just put your subject, your captions. And then when you write your descriptions, everything that you slid off the screen should still be saved, and you put it in your description. And I hope it'll help you. Leave some comments, like, and share this video. Thank you.